Pumpkin seeds are thought to be one of the healthiest snacks that you can possibly eat. They are a true superfood that contains several nutrients that are good for your body and mind. Because they are so healthy, eating them every day will have many positive effects on your body. Let's examine what happens when you eat pumpkin seeds every day. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to our channel. This helps the algorithm in promoting more of our health and science videos to people all over the world. Also, be sure to stick around for number 3. It's very interesting. Number 1. Increased fertility for men. Pumpkin seeds are known to increase male fertility because they contain a lot of zinc. According to research conducted at the University of Otago in New Zealand, it was discovered that men who ate a meal of pumpkin seeds every day had higher levels of zinc in their bodies than those who did not consume any at all. But why does this matter? Well, studies show that if a man has low levels of zinc in his system, he may struggle with fertility. Low zinc levels were found to decrease testosterone production in men in some circumstances. On the other hand, if a man has enough zinc in his body, it may improve sperm quality, motility, and morphology. The researchers who conducted the study concluded that having a diet that is high in zinc may help men get their partners pregnant faster because of how important zinc is for reproductive health. Number 2. Improved prostate health. There are several vitamins and minerals that are beneficial to prostate health, such as zinc, fatty acids, vitamin E, and lycopene. And pumpkin seeds are a great source of all of these nutrients. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, pumpkin seeds have been shown to prevent benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, which is a condition in which the prostate gland becomes enlarged. Since the enlargement of the prostate gland might make it hard for the urine to pass through, it's possible that consuming pumpkin seeds on a daily basis could stop the symptoms of this condition from getting worse. Additionally, the high concentration of zinc in pumpkin seeds makes them an effective natural treatment for prostatitis, an inflammation of the prostate gland. In a study involving mice, it was determined that feeding them pumpkin seed extract helped to alleviate the symptoms of chronic prostatitis by reducing the amount of inflammation in the prostate gland. The findings of the study were published in the International Journal of Lower Urinary Tract Symptoms. As was discussed previously, zinc is also necessary for the production of testosterone. Therefore, maintaining healthy prostate tissue is essential for ensuring optimal urinary flow and reproductive function. Number 3. Better heart health. Consuming pumpkin seeds on a daily basis may help lower the risk of developing cardiovascular disease and enhancing general heart health. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of magnesium, which has been demonstrated to lower blood pressure and increase circulation, both of which contribute to better heart health. When there is less strain on the arteries, the risk of atherosclerosis decreases. Because magnesium relaxes blood vessels, this mineral is helpful in preventing plaque buildup in the arteries. In addition to this, the high levels of vitamin E that can be found in pumpkin seeds have been demonstrated to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are common contributors to the development of heart disease. Studies have shown that consuming pumpkin seeds on a daily basis may help lower bad cholesterol levels, while raising good cholesterol levels, which may result in a decreased risk of developing heart disease. Number 4. Aid in blood sugar control. Because they have a low glycemic index, pumpkin seeds are considered to be a very beneficial snack for persons who have diabetes, or for those who are attempting to keep their blood sugar levels under control. This is due to the fact that pumpkin seeds have a low impact on blood glucose levels. Despite having a glycemic index of 15, pumpkin seeds contain a high concentration of magnesium, which is known to reduce insulin resistance and improve insulin sensitivity. Because of this, they are an excellent option for a snack if you are concerned about your blood sugar levels. Pumpkin seeds also contain fiber and healthy fats, both of which slow down digestion and help stabilize blood sugar levels. According to research conducted at Edith Cowan University in Australia, eating pumpkin seeds on a regular basis may assist in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. And number 5, protection from cancer. It has been hypothesized that the components of pumpkin seeds may play a role in the prevention of cancer. This is due to the fact that pumpkin seeds contain phytosterols, which are compounds that have been demonstrated to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. According to a study conducted by the University of Vienna, the polysaccharides found in pumpkin seeds have anti-tumor effects, which suggests that pumpkin seeds may be effective in the treatment of colon cancer. These components are thought to induce apoptosis, which is the death of cells in a controlled manner. In addition, pumpkin seeds include tryptophan, an amino acid that has been shown to slow the development of tumors. It has been proposed that adding pumpkin seeds to the diet may help lower the risk of developing cancer, particularly of the stomach, colon, and breast. However, further research is required to confirm these findings. Now let's take a closer look at the nutritional profile of pumpkin seeds and the many ways that eating them may improve your health. Pumpkin seeds are considered to be one of the most nutrient-dense foods that can be consumed. 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds, which is the typical serving size, offers 180 calories, 14 grams of protein, 9 grams of fat, and 22 grams of carbohydrates. They are a good source of dietary fiber, containing 4 grams per serving, which is equal to 16% of the daily recommended intake. Pumpkin seeds are a fantastic source of numerous important vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, manganese, copper, phosphorus, zinc, and iron. Because pumpkin seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids, they are considered a complete protein source. They are also considered a superfood because they are high in antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Pumpkin seeds contain a number of antioxidants, including vitamin E, carotenoids, and phenolic compounds. Because of the anti-inflammatory properties of these compounds, the body's defense mechanisms against oxidative stress are strengthened. When compared to other nuts and seeds, pumpkin seeds are unique due to their high concentration of magnesium. 1 serving of pumpkin seeds contains approximately 156 millicalories of magnesium, which accounts for 39% of the daily recommended intake. This mineral plays a key role in hundreds of biochemical processes, including the synthesis of proteins, DNA, and RNA. In addition, magnesium is essential for maintaining normal muscle and nerve function, as well as regulating blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Pumpkin seeds contain a high concentration of manganese, approximately 1.5 milligrams per serving, which accounts for 68% of the daily recommended intake. This mineral plays an important role in the metabolism of carbohydrates and the formation of bones. Pumpkin seeds are also a good source of phosphorus, containing approximately 177 milligrams per serving. This mineral is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth, as well as for the proper functioning of cells. They also contain a significant quantity of copper, approximately 1.3 milligrams per serving, which accounts for 59% of the daily recommended intake. Copper is a mineral that plays a key role in the synthesis of melanin, which is the pigment that determines the color of the skin, hair, and eyes. In addition to this, pumpkin seeds contain small amounts of other minerals, including potassium, calcium, and iron. In addition to being nutritionally dense, pumpkin seeds are also a good source of healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Approximately 9 grams of fat are present in one serving of pumpkin seeds. The primary fatty acid in pumpkin seeds is oleic acid, which is a monounsaturated fat that has been shown to improve heart health. Pumpkin seeds also contain a significant amount of vitamin E, with one serving providing approximately 2.5 milligrams of the vitamin, which accounts for 14% of the daily recommended intake. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative damage. They are also a good source of vitamin K, containing approximately 21 micrograms per serving, which accounts for 26% of the daily recommended intake. Vitamin K is essential for the synthesis of osteocalcin, a protein that plays an important role in bone formation. In addition to these vitamins, pumpkin seeds also contain small amounts of vitamins A, C, K, and folate. So now you know exactly what happens when you eat pumpkin seeds every day. It's time to get creative in the kitchen and add them to your diet. Thanks for watching. See you next time.